Obadiah, Amos, I done held down Hosea. But the question is, can you hold down Jesus? He did all right on Friday night. We gonna give him that. He did all right on Saturday. We gonna give him that. He did all right on Saturday night. We gonna give him that. But God stuck the right hand down in the crutch of the grave. Sunday morning, he got up out of the grave with all power in his hand. And if God is able to lift his son